How to delete all apps on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can delete all apps on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now it really depends on what you're talking about. If you want to only delete these apps from your home screen but still keep them on your iPhone when you search for them in the app library, you can absolutely do that. Or if you want to delete them permanently from your whole iPhone itself. So normally if you select a certain app over here, you long press on it, you'll have the option to remove app, to only remove from home screen, which means this particular app, or you want to delete the app itself. So if you want to delete it, you can just go ahead and tap the delete option in order to delete that particular app. Now unfortunately you will actually not be able to delete all of these apps at once. iOS does not give you that option. You might be able to multiple select these applications over here like this, but you will not be able to actually go ahead and then delete them, all of them at once. That's simply not how iOS functions. So that's the thing you want to understand. If you want to delete all of these apps, you have to do so one after another. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.